An order of protection is one of the worst things that you can have happen to you in a child custody case. If you're a mother or you're a father and this happens to you, it basically will make the other side have all the power they want. And whether that's fair or not, and I'm assuming if you're watching this, there's probably an element of false claims or false accusations and parental alienation, but it is one of the most manipulated tools in the system. So I want to break down some of the misconceptions about this and part of the process because you really need to know. So first off, when an order of protection gets granted, first it is entered as a temporary order. That temporary order needs to be fought very seriously. You need to get the best lawyers, or if you're representing yourself, you need to understand every single ounce of that law in order to get it dismissed. It has to get dismissed because if it gets granted, you basically lose everything for years. You lose all of your rights as a parent, and yet you're still responsible for things like child support and medical and all these other things, or usually in most cases. So that's super important. If you have a temporary order that has been entered into the courts, you need to do everything you can to get that dismissed on your hearing date, which will be scheduled. The other thing that you need to understand about this is that once an order is granted, once it is made permanent, once it is made for 2 years or whatever it is, it cannot get reversed. And actually, let me rephrase that. In our groups, two times, and this is rare for any attorney to ever have this happen, it has gotten reversed. It has been proven that it was not true. But even when that happened, even when the courts admitted it was a mistake, the parents couldn't see their kids because there's so much bureaucracy in it and it's just crazy. So you need to understand how serious this is. If you want to educate yourself on protective orders in what you have to do with them, what you have to prepare for them, how you prepare for a temporary orders hearing, please check out the Direct Me link in my bio, in my profile, direct.me/Steve Maeda. I would recommend joining my groups. It's going to help you out. We have legal assistants on that are going to talk you through it, as well as therapists, as well as myself. We're going to talk you through the entire process. In any case, guys, thank you so much. Stay strong. It is a horrible thing. The family courts are a nightmare, and let's figure out how to win it. All right, talk to you soon.